guys, let's cook some food. Got to cook some meat. I am cooking. The meat is ready to go, kids. Let's make the burger, kids. Delicious.
It's time for Jason to eat some healthy food. Look what I got, kids. Super healthy fruits. Jason, it's time to eat some healthy food. Are you coming?
I'm coming. I don't want fruits.
What?
I don't want fruits. I want sushi.
You want sushi? But you don't like sushi.
I love sushi.
2 bites of fruit, then you can order some sushi.
Okay.
That's 1. That's 2.
Can I order some sushi now?
You can order some sushi now.
Thank you. Hello. I want to order some sushi. I want to for delivery. Thank you. Bye bye. Whoa.
This must be the address. I have 1 delivery of sushi for Jason.
Oh, deliveries are here. Yeah.
1 fresh delivery of sushi. Let's wait if someone opens up.
Let's open the door. Do you have my sushi?
Yes, I have your sushi. There you go, Jason.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Bye bye.
Jason is a cool guy. Well, I'm going back.
Wow, that looks good. Let's open the sushi. Let's try it out. Wait a second. I don't like sushi. I don't like sushi.
Can I also eat some sushi?
Yes.
Okay. Can I try some sushi?
Yes.
Delicious.
Yes. But I don't like sushi. You can eat sushi.
You don't like sushi?
No.
Why did you order sushi?
It was a joke.
Jason was joking with me. Well, okay, I'll eat the sushi. Let's eat some sushi.
Try the orange.
The orange one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not with this one, with your hand.